Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy maple pecan cookies. These are amazing. They are grain free and dairy free as well as egg free. I'm using this Beth Blends nut and cassava free. That's a yellow package blend, and I'm using 1 cup of that. To that I'm adding 1/3 cup of melted palm shortening. I like to use Nutiva brand, and then a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then about 1/3 cup minus 1 tablespoon, so a little bit less than 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and then you just mix everything well. Now I'm going to take the pecans. So what I'm doing is using whole pecans and just smashing them using a rolling pin, or you can crush them in a food processor, but I'm afraid that they get too crushed, so that's why I like to kind of just use a rolling pin to crush them. That way they are still like coarsely ground. So that's your 1/2 cup of pecans. So even with chopped, it's coming up to 1/2 cup. And then you just add this to that mixture that you have already, and the dough basically, and just again mix everything so that the nut mixture gets mixed well with it. Now if you don't have pecans, you can replace it with walnuts. So basically the pecans are the nuts, and that's why this recipe is not AIP. But if you wanted to make it AIP, you could replace the pecans with shredded coconut. That would be an option, and that way it would be an AIP recipe. Okay, so now you get the dough and divide it into 12 equal size balls, and make them, like smooth them so that they become nice smooth rounds, and then as you place them on the cookie sheet, just flatten them into cookie shape. And these go into the oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 18 minutes until the bottoms get crisp. Now important thing is to just not touch them for about 10 minutes until they firm up. They have to cool down before you touch them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.